Tao Te Ching, Chapter 28. My own interpretation. Know the artificialities and the problems of the world, yet keep to the natural and the truthful ideals. That way you can grow in capacity and to be able to receive the world in your arms, in other words, to handle everything, to care for everything, to love all the good in the world. This way you will not lose touch with your roots and will be able to handle what life brings to you. So you will be able to be largely one with the Tao. In this you are like a little child who has not yet lost one's nature's inner truths in the complexity of the jungle of all the artificialities and all the problems of the world. Know how things are, yet behave as if you did not know. Observe everything anew so that you can correct your errors before you make them. This way you reach your own principles of functioning, which are the same as those of others and of the whole world. Thus, whatever you do will be easy to show to others too. They will find it in their own nature easily and effortlessly. So whatever all human you do, it will spread to your nearest social environment. If you like this follow your own nature fully, you will do the most meaningful things in the most effective ways when one looks at the world at large, at your own life and at the task at hand. You are one with the Tao. So you can achieve easily anything that you dream of, any dream that is deep in the nature of humans. Know that you are an individual, caring foremost for the things close to you personally, yet look at things without taking sides, since thus you can see what the world is like. Accept that others have their own personal wishes too. If you help them on their way, you will be able to live in harmony. And if you help them without being untrue to your inner nature, to your soul, there is nothing that you would have lost by helping them. Accept the way that things are and behave accordingly. If you help others in accordance with their true nature, they will be happy and smile upon you and your endeavors. All the environmental factors have turned to help you in your quest for personal fulfillment. The world of conflicts is left far past. The world is not school-like in form, not like the language, words or the flat written text. It is not even a flat TV picture. All these are used just to maintain things in your experience of life. They are not the structure of the world but the characteristics of the artificial communication tools that we use. Even language is block-like and fragmented, unlike the reality that we wish to know. We have to experience, to live, to be sensitive to atmospheres in everything, also in ourselves, and to see from those atmospheric impressions what the world is like, what kind of structures, regularities, differences and continuities there are. The master knows the tools, yet uses solely the natural ways of conceiving things. Thus the shortcomings of the tools do not make him fail likewise.